are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.